guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to change your TikTok username. So let's get into it. First of all, open TikTok and sign in if needed. Go to the Profile tab at the bottom. Tap Edit Profile. Select your current username. Type your new handle in the username box. You'll see a green check mark if the one you pick is available. Tap Save. Your username can only be changed once every 30 days. Usernames can only contain letters, numbers, underscores, and periods. However, periods can't be put at the end of the username. So that's all for this video, guys. If this video was helpful, please give us a like. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out our new uploads. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.